Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with study abroad consultants from GoAbroad step by step clearly. Visit the GoAbroad website. Locate the consultants section on the homepage. Click on the link to access the list of study abroad consultants. Browse through the available consultants. Read their profiles to understand their expertise and services. Select a consultant that fits your needs and preferences. Click on the consultant's profile for more detailed information. Look for the contact options provided on the profile page. Choose between email, phone, or scheduled consultation options. If you prefer email, compose a clear and concise message outlining your questions. For phone inquiries, write down your questions to ensure you cover all points. If you opt for a scheduled consultation, select a time that works for you. Fill in any necessary forms or information to confirm your appointment. Prepare for your consultation by gathering relevant documents and questions. During the consultation, discuss your study abroad goals and preferences. Take notes on the consultant's recommendations and insights. After the consultation, follow up with any additional questions via email. Review the information and advice provided to make informed decisions. Stay connected with the consultant for any future support or updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.